Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about.
Hello friends, let us now understand some important points about what happens if we do continuous nitrate exposure. If someone has undergoes continuous nitrate exposure, that is continuous high dose nitrate exposure, this will cause decrease in pharmacological effects. So because it causes decrease in pharmacological effects, we should put a nitrate free interval of around 8 hours is provided. Especially this is provided at night. Okay, so this is about the nitrate free interval. Thank you for watching.
Thank you and thank you for watching.